It's a wild world, and if you're at the wrong place at the wrong time, you'll find out just how wild it is. You're better off staying inside because damn nature, you scary. Never underestimate the power a whale has to completely ruin your day.
मैं आपको मना कर रहा हूँ, आप चिल्ला रही हो। आप डरो मत ना, मैम शोर नहीं करना है बिल्कुल भी। यही चीजें तो मुझे खराब लगती हैं। भैया वो आ रही है, चलो, हमें डर लग रहा है, बाद में आगे दिख जाए। प्लीज भैया चलो, इनको डर लगता है। अरे भैया मेरे साथ।
No, no, and no. On a long enough timeline, this will eventually go horribly wrong.
Hey! Don't do that, please. Go away. No. Thank you.
Watch this and let me know who you have more sympathy for. I'll give you a hint. It's not the human. If you go out on one of those whale watching tours, do they charge extra if the whale high fives you?
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Porque ahí se te va a coger todo.
Steel-toed boots are highly recommended when trekking through snake country.
Медведи, они очень сообразительные. Ага. Они территорию внизу дразины. Да. Там еще сорочка упала. Ну, можно поискать винтики, зайчики.
А не надо его туда, а то он сейчас за дверь зацепится и поймет, что можно залезть. Он уже это понял.
Could you sleep knowing that this was somewhere in your house, but no matter what you do, you just can't seem to find it?
Ê, thầy bắn nè. Ô thầy.
Tina, we gotta have a talk. You can't have my bird feeder. I don't care, you can't have it. I know you're hungry. We'll go down and eat what bears eat, but you can't have bird feeders. Yeah, no. I'm telling you, you're gonna make me mad now. Yeah, you get down. Where are you going? Get down. Now go on and get something else. I know you're hungry, but I'm sorry. So are the birds.
So, I have this Aunt Mary, and she takes her pet bull everywhere. We tried to tell her not to bring it to the beach, but she wasn't having it.
Please don't do that. Please. Please get away. Are you kidding me? Jesus. Lady, please get away. You're not doing us any favors. Get him. Get him. Get the fuck away. We tried to tell you.
Vele a ayudar, córrele.
Hey, por atrás.
¡Por atrás!
Hey, por atrás, gordo. Por atrás, güey. Hey, cuidado, eh.
I like a good peacock egg omelet just as much as the next guy. But is it worth the risk? I'm pretty sure this bird is the result of a child's drawing magically coming to life. Next time you go for a swim, try not to think of this monster that resembles what a Hell's Angel would look like if it was a fish. Elephants have not so subtle but convincing ways to let you know that you should find another route to get where you're going. How confident would you be knowing that the only thing separating you from disaster was a cheap $3 pair of flip-flops?
They're waking up. They're very grateful that things weren't any worse. As far as the damage goes this morning, what you're seeing is actually a dog coming into our live shot. I think it's a dog. I'm not sure. But anyway, there's some sort of creature below me. And really all that's been affected is what's supposed to be a road right below my feet. And it's just basically covered in mud. But other than that, there's not much damage to report. So some great news out of Utah County, but of course a lot of effort that was put into this to make sure none of these communities were affected, and of course the families were kept safe. Jenny Hardman is tracking traffic. We noticed down here that the roads weren't too bad. How are they looking throughout the rest of the day?
Yes, and Morgan, I hope that's a dog too. If not, go get in the truck.
Yeah,
Chase is freaking out. He doesn't think it's a dog, so maybe go check. Thank you, Morgan.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but if the cobra is moving away from you, by all means, don't start following it. That about wraps it up for today, my friends. And remember, treat our wild animal cousins with respect and don't do anything stupid, lest you find yourself in one of our videos. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.